Welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on creating a bar chart in Microsoft Excel. Bar charts are a great way to visualize and compare data, and it makes it easy to understand and communicate your findings. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is have a table of data, and here we have a bunch of regions and the total sales across those regions. So let's take a look at this in bar chart form. So the first thing we do is we highlight our data, click and hold the left mouse button, and then go over your data till it's all highlighted. We then go up to Insert, and then over here there is a column option, and we're going to go to 2D column, clustered column, and we're going to click on that. And there we have our bar chart, and here we have each region and the total sales for each of those regions. Now we can roll over this and we can see that the value of this is 7,235, and we can roll over this one and see that it's 2,190. But we can also add data values to this bar chart, and so if we right click on the bar and go to add data label, you'll see that it adds the amounts for each one, which makes it much easier to read. We then can add different elements to this chart, such as a legend. So if we go up here to add chart element, click the down arrow and go to legend, we can create a legend in many different places. So this would add one to the top, to the left side, to the bottom, to the right side. We're going to add it to the bottom, and there you go. It gives you that key that says total sales in blue, and that is the bar chart. So remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and check out the next one.